All right, what's up, guys? I want to talk to you real quick about how to maintain and keep your tub clean throughout the year. That way it's just looking good. So the best practice, and this works on all surfaces, is going to be using Dawn dish soap, something like a Dawn dish soap, stiff nylon brush, and warm water. Just take that Dawn dish soap, wet the surface, and then lather up the walls, lather everything up with that nylon brush and really scrub, getting any kind of soap scum off there, any kind of dirt, grime, residue, anything, any kind of buildup. That Dawn dish soap and warm water is really going to get through that with that nylon brush. So that's our recommendation for all surfaces. There are a couple of types of buildup that you want to be careful of, and the best way to avoid those. So the best way to avoid calcium buildup, and that's going to come in a couple of forms. So you might have iron deposits that might look red, or you'll have sediment that builds up and it's kind of like concrete. And the best way to avoid that is make sure you don't have a leaky faucet. So a dripping faucet will cause that sediment buildup over time. And that's where we've seen our most severe sediment buildup, is because that faucet is leaking. It's constantly keeping the surface wet, but it's also constantly evaporating, leaving more sediment. So over time, that's, essentially how you create that. If you get in that situation, the best thing to do is, if it's real thick and you're having trouble kind of scraping it off or anything, you might tap it, with like a hammer or something hard. Just be careful, don't whack it and break a hole in your tub, but just kind of tap it. You're just really just trying to break that stone up, is essentially what it is. And then once you kind of fracture that stone, you can kind of scrape it off. So that's the best thing to do, is stop a leaky faucet. If you have a glass door on your shower, squeegee that thing. Squeegee it every time. You'll be surprised at how quickly that buildup will happen on that surface. So squeegee your glass doors, stop dripping faucet, use Dawn dish soap, warm water, and a nylon brush once or twice a month, and do a deep clean on your shower to get through any kind of soap scum. Don't let that build up. If it does get super thick on you, you can scrape that soap scum off. We've come in and we've scraped off probably enough soap off the wall to create a new bar of soap. It's been crazy, but just staying ahead of that is going to really save you a little bit of a headache. So now, if you're working on one of our repairs and you're coating on the surface, or maybe your bathtub's been resurfaced before, you want to avoid using any kind of a bleach cleaner. Bleach cleaners can discolor any kind of a coating, so just be aware of that. If you have repaired your tub with one of our kits, or you've got some sort of a coating on your tub already, do not use bleach cleaner. That's going to yellow your coating over time, so be careful about that. And then also, don't use any kind of like a Barkeepers or Comet. That's abrasive. So if you have a coating on your tub, do not use an abrasive cleaner like one of those. That will erode away that coating, and then you'll have other issues. So those are our recommendations. Number one, Dawn dish soap, nylon brush, and warm water. That's going to be our best preventative maintenance. Do that a couple of times a month. And then sediment buildup, stop a dripping faucet, and squeegee your glass doors on your showers. That's going to help minimize any kind of buildup there. Finally, if you have a coating on your tub, don't use bleach cleaner, don't use Comet, and don't use Barkeepers. Those are going to be either the bleach will discolor it, or the others will be an abrasive that would erode the coating. So that's it. Take care of your tub a couple of times a month, and it's good because then you might identify any leaky spots or chips or cracks or anything like that. So give us a call if you have any questions. Good luck. Happy New Year.